Hello everyone, in this video we are going to see how to find the rational number between given two rational numbers. So here we have a question. Find a rational number between 1 and 2. So 1 and 2 both are the rational number because it can be written in the form of P by Q. So 1 can be written as 1 over 1 and 2 can be written as 2 over 1. Now we'll see where the 1 and 2 comes on the number line. So take a line, mark a 0. So if this is 1, this will be 2. Now we will need to find the numbers between 1 and 2. So how we are going to find? Add these two numbers 1 plus 2 and divide by 2. So 1 plus 2 is 3 divided by 2. And if we will take this number in the decimal form, we will get 1.5. So we know now on the number line where the 1.5 comes. Here it is a 1.5. Let's give the name to this number is point A. So this is point A which lies in between 1 and 2. Here we have another question. Find a rational number between 1 by 3 and 2 by 3. First we will see where the 1 by 3 and 2 by 3 comes on the number line. So make a line, mark 0, 1, 2 and so on. Now it's a 1 by 3 and 2 by 3. Both the numbers have 3 in the denominator and both the numbers are greater than 0 and lesser than 1. So we will mark 3 points between 0 and 1. So this is 1 by 3 and this is 2 by 3. Now find the number between 1 by 3 and 2 by 3. So how we are going to find? We'll follow the same method. Add these two numbers 1 by 3 plus 2 by 3 and divided by 2. The sum of 1 by 3 and 2 by 3 is 3 over 3 divided by 2, which is 1 by 2. So here we have got the one number between this, which is 1 by 2. Let's give the name to this number is point P. So P equals to 1 by 2. So here we have another question. Find a rational number between 1 by 3 and 1 by 2. So here we don't have the same denominator. First we will make the same denominator to understand where the number will come on the number line. So for that we will take the LCM of 2 and 3. So LCM of 2 and 3 is 6. So the number will be 1 by 3 can be written as 2 by 6 and 1 by 2 can be written as 3 by 6. Now how to find numbers on the number line? This is the 0, this is 1, this is 2. So here we have the 6 in the denominator and both the numbers are greater than 0 but lesser than 1. So we will divide 0 to 1 span in 6 equal parts. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 is this. Now what is the 2 by 6? So here it is 2 by 6 and where is the 3 by 6? So this third position 3 by 6. Now we need to find the number between 2 by 6 and 3 by 6. So now add the two numbers 2 by 6 plus 3 by 6 and divided by 2. So how we can do it? It's a 5 by 6. Now we will take the reciprocal of the division, which is multiplication, and 1 by 2. So the answer is 5 by 12. So here we have found the number between these two numbers, which is 5 by 12. Let's give the name to this number, which is x. So x is 5 by 12. So in this video we have seen how to find a rational number between given two rational number. In the next video we will see how to find 2 or 3 rational numbers between given two rational numbers.